Hey, hey, hey. It looks like it's time to start. I'm actually watching a scam bait video on my computer. It looks like it's Okay, sorry about that. I had some audio feedback because of the multiple audio interfaces that I use. Okay, so and I can still hear myself. What's going on? Hold on. I'm hearing myself. Audio interfaces that I use. Okay. Why am I hearing myself? And I can still hear myself. What's going on? Oh, I got it. I had myself broadcasting. I had myself playing on Twitch. I could see myself. How fun is that? All right. So today, what we are going to be working on is, well, first of all, I'm trying to see what's going on with my, there we go. My restream system. My chat is ready to display messages. I don't like how it says that. See the little chat window, the new chat window that I have? It says it's ready to display messages. I think that's kind of annoying. Oh, wait a second. Test. Does this actually show my messages from Discord too? Hold on, I want to try something. Let me go on my Discord. Hang on. Let me switch to my Windows PC. Okay, so I just wrote testing in the channel. Wait. I am a duck. Oh, shoot, it does. It pulls Discord into my screen. That's pretty cool. Let's go back to the Mac. Oh, I got that. I got to change that setting to refresh every time we load, because what's going on is every time I change, so if I type something, let's do hi there. You see how hi there is there on the screen now. I'm gonna go over to, yay. So I just typed that on Discord, and now I can say something on Twitch. Welcome. I can't even spell WELCOME. Wee, welcome. So then my Twitch shows up. So all the streams are showing up on the screen, but the problem that I was having, let's get rid of Nectar, is that, let's see, they're going into general chat, which is fine. All right, so now if I change this, if I go to, say, the PC, and I switch it back, okay, good. The messages stay there. That's what I want to see. All right, good. So what I need to do is, let's go to the Windows screen real quickly. And we are going to add a browser. We're going to add the chat to the Windows screen too. Yeah, so now the Windows screen has chat too. Let's see, are they in the same place? No, I guess I'll put them both in the same place. So they're both up at the top corner of the screen. So no matter where we go, you can see the chat. I think, let's see, that's at the top. 128 at the bottom, 240. Oh. Seems like they're different sizes. $128 is where, let's just make sure. Okay, now they're the exact same size. Sweet. What's Windows? Oh, Windows. Okay, cool. All right. The chat is working. All right, cool. So let's go back to the Mac screen. What we're gonna do today is gonna do some website stuff. So I have a client that needs his website just updated. So we're going to go to bannersecurityservices.com, WP admin. I'm going to log into the back end. This is a website I designed for a client, and let's go. Yes. Already did. Already did. Already did. I hate that. That's the only thing I hate about WordPress is all the pop-ups that you get when you come in, when you have a lot of plugins, like to rate them. Just, I don't want to give the rating. Like, yeah, so let's update these plugins. And take a drink. So in WordPress, every site that I design, I use, we use a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is, like, I have to say, the most amazing plugin I've ever seen. It's a builder. It basically, and I hate to say it like this, but it basically turns WordPress into like the ease of design is Wix. But with much, much more power. It's way more powerful than Wix. I definitely. So let's go. Let's do some designing. Let's do some updating. So we're gonna go over to pages, all pages, because that's where I create all the content is under pages. And under the pages, the first page we're gonna go to is the main homepage. Because on the homepage, there is still some lorem ipsum. And if you don't know what lorem ipsum is, what that is it's filler text. It just lets you fill in randomness into a website. So let's go full screen on this. Okay, so here we go. See, we've got text there. So here's some lorem ipsum. So what I do is, I mean, I don't do content, and I told my clients I don't do content. And I tell the clients it's their responsibility to get the content to me, but they never do. Sorry to say, but they never do. Let me see. Okay. Hold on. I want to see something. Hang on. Sending a text. Okay. So in ChatGPT, what I will do is I will do this. Write me 200 words of copy about professional PROF security services. So it's gonna write me a little bit of copy. There we go. That's literally some perfect copy that I can put into that little spot. Oh, I guess I went a little overboard. 300 words is a lot, I guess. You know what? We'll just take the today's surgery with the need for cannot be overstated. Our professional security should go be up. Okay. Let's go like that. Gonna go like that. Oh, we want it to be the same, so I'll put it in there. There we go. Actually, you know what? Let's just use the whole thing. Let's see how the whole thing looks. If it's too long, we'll see. Yeah, it's a little bit too long. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get rid of one of the paragraphs in the middle. Actually, watch this. Watch how cool ChatGPT is. Shorten this to 50 words. Bam. Problem solved. Go back over here, paste that in. Boom. We're golden. All right. Experience the best services with us. Okay. Give me another 50 words of copy about about EXPIERENC experience with us. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to do anything. Let's see. Okay, journey with us to unnecessary protection. Our seasoned team delivers not just. All right, this is beautiful. This is okay. This is why I like ChatGPT. It makes it so easy to get some good content for a website. I mean, I would prefer the client giving me their take on it and giving me their content. Okay, so that's already set. Okay, that's already good. All right, so now we're gonna go. So he wants to get rid of personal protection. So we're gonna change this to unarmed security guards. Write me 50 words of copy about unarmed security guard services. This is what I love about ChatGPT. Copy that. Edit that. No longer talking about executive protection. We are now talking about unarmed security guards. Ba-bam. All right, let's update this page. That saves it. All right, we are now saved. All right, so now let's do some questions. Let's go to a big security company. What? Write me 5 FAQ questions. Oh, okay. Give me the answers to those 5 questions. Ah, beautiful. So we're gonna go like that. Oop. Question 1. I go back over here. We'll go. Oop. This is perfect. This is perfect. Perfect. Oop. Oh, I don't need the bullet point though because it's already going in a thing. All right. Next question is bam. Wah, la, 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 la. This is it. This is how you do content for a website with a. If you don't get the content from the client, you just ChatGPT it, and ChatGPT is awesome. Absolutely, we understand. Ba-bow. These are good questions too. These are actually really good questions that it asks. Question 4 is, what measures do you take to ensure the confidentiality? That's a good question too. And client confidentiality is paramount to us. Beautiful. I don't know why it keeps putting that little blurb in. I'm not copying the ball. And then we're going to add one more question. And the last question is that one. Copy. Paste. Last but not least. Oh, wrong page. Go there. Copy that. And these FAQs will help with the big thing about FAQs is Google likes them, and Google will actually get you higher ranking because of you have an FAQ section. Um, Pretty cool. Okay, so now um, yeah, that's good. So now let's add their phone number in. Phone number. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. 948. No, 978. 978. 400. 0460. Okay. Got the new phone number on the site. And that is updating a website in real time. Okay, let's get rid of personal protection down the bottom. We're going to change personal protection to armed security guards. Commercial security, we're going to go commercial security, we're going to change to armed security guards. Like that, commercial security, mobile patrol services. About us should link to about. Careers, link to employment. I'm going to EMPLOYMENT, employment. Pricing, we don't do pricing. Get rid of that. And I will add contact us. Okay, save. Okay. All right, that's looking good. That's looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, learn more should actually link to the services page. And that's what you have to do when you're doing a website design. You have to kind of feel out what's going to go where. So, and you got to make sure that every link works. Like this request a quote link, what does it do? It brings you to the quote page. Learn more. What does learn more do? Is that going to bring you to a page? Yes, that needs to bring you to the services page. So type in services, click it. Now that's going to take us to the services page. Look around. Is there anything else that says read more, get a quote, anything like that that needs to be linked to somewhere? No, we're pretty good on that. So let's update it. Let's take a quick look in responsive mode just to see how things are going to look on the phone. Okay. All right. So as a security company, we get asked a lot of questions. Here are some of them. Guess that's good enough. Update. All right. Let's see how they rewrite that for me because oh, that's perfect. That's even better than what I wrote. Bam. Okay. Oh, let's update that. And then we gotta update the phone number down the bottom. Okay, so we go here, like this. We change this to 978 400 4460. Ba-dee-dee-doo-doo. Alrighty, cool. So, bump, bump, bump. Okay, that looks good. Let's get out of there. And that's literally all I wanted to do to this website. I just wanted to update a little bit of the front, and then we're now going to move on to designing a whole nother site for Los Angeles, like start to finish. But yeah, I don't see any other lorem ipsum on here. Let's check the about page. A little bit of lorem ipsum there, but I don't have an actual quote from any employees. Okay, a little bit of lorem ipsum there. Is there anything under the about? Okay, no. Oh, damn. The whole services page is lorem ipsum. So we need to update that. So to do that, we go edit with Elementor. And here we go. We'll make some quick content changes on this page. Over here. Like this. Number 1 security guard service in Worcester. I don't know if that's what I want. That looks good. Okay. I don't know why it hasn't updated. There we go. All right, we're going to get rid of personal protection, and this is going to be unarmed security guards. Armed security guards. Commercial security services. Mobile patrol services. Let's go to the old website and see what they had. Did I take it offline? Oh, shoot. The domain expire? Does it show me when the domain expires? Domain registration is at GoDaddy. Let's go over here. Let's take a quick look. Okay. I am currently using ZSH. We're going to have to go out of full screen. Okay, let's go. Who is? Oh. Okay. Okay. So, problem with this is getting to the site without having a domain pointed at it. So the easiest thing I can do is go like this. I can go to mine, Jeff Dodge, .dev, do that, DNS. I don't got anything on Jeff Dodge dev. I am just gonna go add a record. Forget. We'll just use it as root for now. Actually, this is crazy that I don't have anything there. We're gonna change this to js.jeffdodge.dev. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here, go domains, delete that one, and we're gonna edit this one. Change the current site. Change the current site. All right, so we're gonna change it to js.jeffdodge.dev. Save. See if this works. Should be able to verify the DNS. Okay, but I don't want that. All right, this one's deleted. I don't want that. Okay, so removing the first domain, I gotta wait for that to be done. Then I can update the primary domain. What a pain. Come on, deploy the changes, deploy the changes. We need the changes deployed. Do 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 do. All right. Well, that's cool. Go over here. I'll see something. That's really cool. That's cool. Like, I'm actually looking at my Windows PC and I see that. It's pretty cool. Right. It's neat. That I'm actually seeing. Like, I look at myself and I see my screen. It's pretty cool. I like it. And it streams pretty good too. And with the Wowza streaming server, it's actually streaming so that I can all right, there we go. Save the name. Verifying DNS. All right, do that. Now it should work. Yeah, cool. All right, it updated. The other thing I wanted to do is get my my Jeff.dev server set up. So in order to do that, I am gonna go like this. My zero trust network. I'm gonna go to access, tunnels, home. Okay, I'm gonna have to get the new one and update it. Public host names. Add a public host name. jeffdodge.dev. Boom. It's gonna be a HTTP 192.168.0.16. That's my dev server. So that, if I go to jeffdodge.dev, ha! It brings me to my dev server. That's awesome. All right, sweet. I got notifications on Instagram. Yeah. I'm streaming live. Yay. All right, so now that that's done, we are going to go back to try this. We're going to go js.jeff.dev. Invalid SSL. Lovely. Oh, it's still deploying. That's why. Okay, now it's deployed. Let's just make sure the SSL is set. SSL 1 November. Okay, cool. So if I refresh, we should be good. All right, excellent. That's what I wanted. Because their old website had content in there that I could use. I don't know if my password works. Yeah, no, I gotta email this stupid magic link. I mean, it works, but webmail. No, not WebView Gold. Webmail. Although WebView Gold is pretty cool. Webmail.com. WebView Gold actually turns in any website into an application. Okay. There is the link. Oh, one thing I can't stand is Yelp. Yelp, they're always trying to get me to buy their shit, and it's annoying. All right, so we're gonna go pages. Yeah, I know there's a license mismatch because I changed the domain name, which is fine. All right, so we're gonna go to security services page. Let's just edit it and see what it looks like so that I can get the content off of it. That's all I need is the content. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-bum. All right, so okay, security guards, mobile patrol. All right, this is cool. Security guards, mobile patrol, loss retention, student tour groups. Okay, great. Go to, what was it? It was security guards. So unarmed, armed, so I'll do both. And then we'll go to, what else? Mobile patrols. Mobile patrol services. And what else do we got? Loss prevention. We do Firewatch. And last but not least, student tour groups. Okay, so unarmed guards. Let's see, what do we have here for unarmed guards? All right, so let's go over here, go back. Go random checks, temperature checks. Okay. Random checks of your sites. We can also we can also check temperatures. Check for flooding. What else? Ensure doors are locked. We have both marked and unmarked vehicles. Okay, good. Done. We'll go over here. We'll go back to ChatGPT. Blurb, some 50 words about armed security guards. Okay. Okay. 50 words about unarmed security guards. Let's copy that over there. This is the armed. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, I don't need the title. Go to the bottom. Copy that. Put that here. Bank. Oh, can't do that. Gotta go over here. When you're pasting it, you gotta paste it in the little box. Otherwise, it uses the formatting from ChatGPT. I'm gonna go same for loss prevention. What else do we got? Firewatch 2. Okay, go boop, boop, bam. Okay, there's our fire. Now we go to Firewatch. Student tour groups as well. Give me 50 words of copy for student tour group security. There we go. I kind of did it wrong. I didn't put the right information. There we go. That's what I needed. Bam. Copy. Paste. Done. You know what? We're gonna go like, how are we gonna do this? Because this goes white, black. So that's white. Um, um, fully bonded and insured. Okay, we're gonna get rid of all these little blurbs. I'll just make it like that. There we go. I mean, I could put blurbs in there, but whatever. We don't reach globally, so we're gonna go that best in Worcester. "50 words about why we are the best in Worcester." I like it. Beautiful. Copy. Paste. We're gonna go like that. Get rid of that. There we go. Like that. Perfect solution. All your security needs. All right. Copy about your security service needs and contact us. Let's see if that does something. Beautiful. I love it. Copy. You know, ChatGPT does not. Okay, let's go. Protection is always there. Just literally copy that and go. Write something about. See what it comes up with. Our protection is day or night. Our commitment never wavers with round the clock security. Wow. This is doing a great job. Like that. Bam, bam, bam. Get started is going to be, going to change it to quick quote. All right, the quick quote, I think I gotta link that differently because it's a form. So I think it's just quick quote. I think I just do that. Save. Right? Let's just see. Uh, there we go. All right. Request a quote actually goes to where? Yeah, quick dash quote. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what I thought. All right. Appointment. Blah, 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 blah. Done. Services page is complete. And we'll go like that. So that's all done. Now we're going to go to, let's see what else. So let's go back. So we've got employment. What does we got for employment? The employment should just be a form to fill out for getting a job. And I remember there was a good application form that I used, which I think I imported, or maybe not. Did I import it? No. Okay, so we're going to change this a little different. We're going to go to here. There. Go to pages. I want to go to jobs. Well, no, I want to go WP Forms, tools, export, employment application, export. Oh. Filing code can be registered. Copy and paste the file. The thing's function. What? I don't want that. Form export. Employment. Export. Allow. Okay, so now if I go over to here, all right, and I go to WP Forms, Tools, choose a file, day. Oh, downloads. This right here. Import. Okay, this is going to import that form that was on the old site to this one. Now, if you go to old forms, you'll see there's the employment application. So that makes it so that we can now go over here, get rid of this job list. We're going to get rid of, I mean, I guess we could keep Y join us. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of this. Actually, we're going to use this. going to go fill out the following application. Delete that. Bink. And delete that. Boop. Now we're going to go boop. WP forms. Let's take this and whoa. Oh, cool. Deployment application. There we go. Can I say make it centered? Um, there we go. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. I don't need it bold though. Bink. All right. Why join us? Yeah. Company that is good. I don't know. I gotta use ChatGPT. Write me a blurb for why join us. See what they can get. Oh my god, this is so much better than. Wow, step into a world where dedication meets opportunity. ChatGPT, you are amazing. Like, there we go. Fill out the following application. And boom, employment is done. And contact us was already done. So this website's completely done now. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So this whole site is complete. bannersecurityservices.com. Blah, 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 blah. I don't see any lorem ipsum there. A little bit down the bottom, but that can be fixed real quick. All right. Off. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Employment. Why join us? There's that. Okay. Okay. This is good. Yes. No. Newspaper ad. This is great. This is cool. Yes. What happens if I say yes? Okay, then it gives me more stuff. Yes. And just go, no. Have you ever been? Yes. No. Read the terms. I certify that. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I got to change it so it doesn't say JS. It says banner. I could go over to WP Forms. Go into WP Forms, go to the deployment application. You edit it, and then down the bottom in the little terms area, click on that. Blah, 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 blah. I authorize banner security services to check my references, blah, blah, blah. Banner security, blah, 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 blah. All right, cool. That's done. Alrighty then. This was very cool. Got a lot done in 49 minutes. I mean, Alright, let's see. Your site is finished now. No more room. to at least get the quote done. Okay. Okay. So that was that. Now we're going to go to another site, LA Security Guard Service.com. Los Angeles Security Services. Here we go. We're going to make a whole new website today. WP admin. First thing is logging into the admin area and getting everything. Making sure you can log in, which I can't. So that's pretty strange. So what we do in that case, I will go here. Since, let's see, LA Security Service. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to remove it from here. I'm going to delete it because I actually have a site set up in WordPress multi-site mode. And what that means is I can create a whole bunch of websites on one installation of WordPress using all of the same plugins, because every website I do, these are like security guard. They're just microsites. They're not full sites. So what I did is I created a website called securitywebhosting.com. And then I just log into there. Oh, I got to use that because I made a hard password. As you can see, it's quite long. Let's update. Let's run the update now. Run the update now. Clear the cache. Now, the first thing, if you could see, look at all the sites that are run on this one server, which is great. So now we're going to go back over to the spin up. So we're going to go security web hosting. First thing I'm going to do is go to domains, and I'm going to add a new domain, which is lasecurityservice.com, and hit save. It's going to check every website that's on there to make sure they're all DNS is set up right. And then it adds it. Now, it's going to generate an SSL certificate for that site. You can see that it's deploying changes. What it's actually doing right now behind the scenes is setting up Nginx, adding the configuration in. It is creating an SSL certificate, reaching out to Let's Encrypt, grabbing a certificate, sending it back, checking DNS records. All this is happening behind the scenes. It looks like they use some Ansible scripts and things like that to do that. But this whole spin up WP is a Laravel project. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update the PHP version to 8.2. Because that's the latest version. Latest and greatest means less memory leakage and a faster platform. So we'll wait for that to finish updating. All right, updated. So now back in the dashboard. So we're going to go network admin sites. First thing I'm going to do is go add new. So it would be LA Security Service. Now we do Los Angeles Security Guard Service. Jeff. Just type in my name. It puts it there. Then I go add site. Now, because you can't change it uses subdomains. So it'd be LA Security Service. I just heard ding on my phone because that was an email of it sending me saying your new site has been created. Now, the first thing you do is you edit the site, because what you're going to do is get rid of the security web hosting part and just leave the .com save changes. So now LA Security Guard Service is set up and operational on this system. I'm going to add users. First thing we do is we add Francie. She's one of our web designers. There she is. I'm going to add her as an administrator, add user. Then we're going to add Dan. He's an administrator as well. That lets them access all the sites. Plugins. Let's see, what plugins do we have to update today? Usually they're on auto update. Okay. It's actually going to update in 52 minutes, but I'll just do it now just to get it over with. All right, cool. So WordFence is probably telling me about that plugin. Yep. So we can cancel that because we just did it. All right. Updates. Are there more? Nope. Good. We're running 631. We're running everything. So let's go to my sites. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Los Angeles Security Guard Service dashboard. It's going to ask you to log back in, and you need to log in for your security with your security web hosting password, which offhand I have no clue what it is, because it's probably something really long and wacky, because I use one password for everything. All my passwords are, I don't know any of my passwords. All right, so now we need to activate some licenses. So let's activate essential add-ons. And I do this really easily. I copied their license keys. All right, so this actually should be, I guess I should blur this. I don't know how to do that. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just switch to me while I put that in. So we'll go, boom, activate that license. All right, so that license is activated now. And then, okay, now I can go back to the Mac. Now we are going to go back to the dashboard, and we have to connect and activate Elementor Pro. So first thing we do, connect, activate. We're going to log in as my account. Oh, I hate that. Gotta go to my email. Where is my... There's that email. Okay, copy. Boop, 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 ba-doop, boop, ba-doop. Verify me. Yay, it's me. Okay, activate. So we're activating our LASecurityGuardService.com Elementor license, which is great. All right. And what other plugins do we have to activate? All right. So Elementor Elements, Envato Elements, that's one that we have to get a token for our new site. So we log in, we get our token, we go back to the page, and we add our token in. Project name is Los Angeles Security Guard Service. That's perfect. So now what we do is I am going to look for a template kit. I love using template kits. It makes it super easy to get a website made. I'm actually just looking for a very basic site template. I really want to make a one-page website with this. Let's see. Can I do a search for one-page website? I don't know if it's going to find anything. Okay. Let's see. Preview. What's that look like? What is this? I just want, okay, block. All right, this is just I'm not seeing this all together. What is it? What was it calling it? Oh, did I just lose it? Oh no, here we go. App landing page template kit. Nah, I don't think so. Let's see. They do have some good security sites. I will say that. So, you know what? I want to use this one. I'm going to use a Garza. Or should I use Bouncer? Or Decor, Power Key, Secured, Red Shield. No, you know what? I don't think I've used this one. I'm going to install this kit. I'm going to try this one out. Okay, so let's go view the kit. Yeah, I like the look of that. That's not bad. Let's see, what are our requirements? Okay, element kits light. Check element. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the reason why it was so quick on installing all those templates is because I've already have them installed as all those plugins. I've already got them installed on a global level. On like some of them, like Elements Kit Light, we have the pro version, so I can just activate it. And then it says activate Elements Kit. So let's activate this thing. Next step. Enter your email address. Jeff@jeffdodge.com. Next. Next step. Next step. Save. One thing I don't know what it did. I was going to say, it didn't ask me for a license key. All right, so here we go. License key. So we go back to me so you can see me. Oh, shoot. I didn't even save these licenses. So I'm now going to go to wpmet.com and I'm going to actually log into my account here to get my license keys because I don't know them. Product licenses. So we go to Elements Kit. I'm going to go to LA Security Guard Services.com, add domain. All right. Go like that and copy. I got my license key. I paste it in, activate. Boom. We'll go back to the Mac. And as you see, we are now activated. Now, whenever you activate a new plugin, you want to clear the cache because there are some pages on the front end that it may interfere with. So now we're going to go Metform. I have the premium version of that as well. Let me see if that's installed globally. Yep. So I just activate Metform Pro. Clear the cache. We go to license. Next. 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 Yes. Dashboard general. How do I get the license? Ah, there's the license key. I was gonna say, all right, let's go to me again so that I can get this license set up for that. So product licenses, go to Metform. I go to add domain, pop that domain in. Domains added, view, copy the license key, go back over here, and we activate. Now we can go back to the Mac. Did that work? Didn't do anything. I'm assuming that we're good. All right, good enough. Okay, so we got all that done. Oh, there's a newer version. Okay, so when there's a new version of a plugin, what I have to do is go to the network admin and go to plugins, and we have to do the update there. So I go to Metform Pro, and how do I update it? It's not. Um, it's a good question. If it's not globally activated, how do you do the update? All right. So do I just go and over here and go downloads and then just download the new update? I mean, allow. So now I downloaded the new update. I guess I'll go to network admin, plugins. I mean, this is how you would update a plugin manually if it doesn't automatically. You just download it. Metform Pro, there it is. Double click, install now. It will give you an error that there's already a folder, and we just go replace with current upload, and then we go to plugin installer because I don't want to activate it globally. But now if I go to my Los Angeles security guard service, I go to the dashboard, and if I go to plugins now, that one's updated to the latest version, say 3.3.1. Just some weird stuff to think about when oh, my GoPro seems to be frozen. Whoa, GoPro, what's going on with you? Wow, that's all weird. Okay, so hold on, let's see. See if I can fix this. Back to the GoPro. Wow, it's like got half of me. Properties. That do anything? No. Having some technical difficulties. Um. GoPro. Where's the GoPro app? Oh, camera connect. It actually disconnected somehow. So let's pull the plug and plug it back in. I mean, I have a lot of issues with the GoPro just because it's kind of finicky, but I like it. It the quality is really on point. Let's change. So I got to change to it, change camera, and then I got to go to the GoPro, and now it's connecting, and now we're back. That was weird, but that's GoPro for you. It happens. Let's go back to the Mac screen and back to configuring. So now we are going to go into pages, all pages. Well, actually, the first thing I would go to the theme builder from Elementor, and I would add a header, and then the header is going to be. So before I can do that, I've got to go over to Elementor and say to use that on templates. So we go Elementor, settings, bam, 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 bam. You want to set it so Elementor can basically edit everything. Now you go to templates, and then you go to theme builder, and there's the header. That it did make a header, it just couldn't edit it because it this all right, this is weird. So that's not okay. So I gotta delete that one. Maybe make another one. Trash. Move to trash. Let's do new header. So, okay, why is all right? What is going on? Now we're gonna do some troubleshooting because that should not be doing that. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Can I edit this with Elementor? Or does that give me a problem too? No, I can edit the pages. But I can't edit the themes. Let's go to learn more. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what this issue is. How can you fix it? First, determine. Oh, I think I know. I think I know why this might be happening. Let's see. Did I change the theme? No, I want the theme to be Hello Elementor. That's probably why it wasn't working. Let's go theme builder. Edit this. Edit that. I'm hoping that was the reason. Yep, that was the reason. You gotta have it on the right theme. Wow, that doesn't happen very often. So now we're gonna go Envato Elements. There's the kit that we installed. We're gonna go View Installed Kit, and we're gonna find the header. There's the header right there. We're gonna go Insert Template. And what that's doing is downloading content from Envato Elements, and it added the template in. So now we're going to first things first, let's go to Telnex, because when we build these sites, we give each of them their own phone number in the city and state that they're in. So since this is in Los Angeles, I need a Los Angeles phone number. Los Angeles area code. Wow, there's a lot of them. So we're going to go to numbers. I'm going to go to numbers, orders. Nope, searching by a number. Local numbers, region. All right, so let's just try this. Los Angeles, California. There it is. Search numbers. That's 213 numbers. Okay, let's see if I can do advanced search. Ends with. Oh, it used to be able to do ends with. I don't know why it's only doing starts with. Okay, so if I go area code, I do ends with. I'm going to go 213, ends with 00. Okay. I like this one. 213-871-1100. Add to cart. Boom. Place order. Yay. So now we have a Los Angeles phone number. 213. Copy it. I go to the website, back to the website that we're editing, and we put that phone number in. Boom. Boom, boom. 213-871-1100. And you're not in London, UK. We are in Los Angeles. Did I spell Los Angeles right? I never know. Losangeles. Okay, cool. I do. I am spelling it right. Los Angeles, California. We're gonna go info at LA Security Guard Services.com. Service.com. Okay. We'll add Facebook, Twitter, and that stuff later. But let's publish this, add a condition. We're going to show it on the entire site. So that means it's going to come up for every website, every page that's on the site. This header will be there. So let's exit this and let's put in the footer now. And we're going to go theme builder, footer, add new. Give it a second to do its thing. Okay, we're going to X out of that. We're going to go to this. We're going to go to view installed. And now we're going to go to the footer, which is right here. Insert template. Give it a second. And then we're now going to have a totally customized footer for the website. Boom. There we go. Go. Los Angeles Security Guard Services is a licensed and bonded professional proactive protection agency in California. Okay. Home and pages. It's not going to be pages. We're going to change that to services. About a service. And then 404 we don't need. And facts, blog, gallery, and pricing. We don't need. Hours. We're going to go 24/7. Emergency dispatch. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist in all of your security needs. All right, call us is actually going to be a link. And we're going to do that by link objects. I'm going to go TEL, boom, 213-871-1100. So that now links that and publish. We're going to add a condition and we're going to add it to the entire site, just like the header. Now, check this out. So let's exit this and we'll go to pages. Let's start on this sample page. I like turning the sample page into something. So I'm going to change this into home. This is going to be our home page. Let's just call it home. Okay. Update. I'm going to edit with Elementor. Now check out how cool this is because we've got that header and the footer made. Now that automatically comes up and boom. And the one thing I like to do is hide the title, and that brings it up a lot quicker. And then we're going to go like this. I'm going to go view installed kits. I'm going to insert the home page. Now this is going to import the entire home page. So this may take a little bit longer than the header and the footer, but it seems to be going pretty quick. Let's see what happens. %. Come on, baby. Give me the rest. All right. Wow, this is nice. This is a really nice design. I'm legitimately impressed. Nice. 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 Okay, this is a cool site. All right. So, like this. I like this. We're going to change our bodyguards to, change this to loss security guard service. Beautiful. Boom. Um, create a blurb for the top hero of Los Angeles security guard services. Okay, so I don't know if that's gonna, I think that might be too long, but let's see. Let's see how it looks. I've got so many pages open. All right, there we go. So let's go like that and go like that. That's it. No, it's not that bad, but what I am gonna do is change the style a little because um the right padding I don't like. I'm gonna maybe make that 30. 40. There we go. I like that. That's better. That's much better. Um and we're gonna update that. That's gonna save that. Um yeah. Is they work all day. All right. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna go I'm gonna change this to security guards, mobile patrols, fire watch. Okay, so now I want to change this icon library. I want to change it to a fire. Insert mobile patrols. I want to change that to a car. That's good enough. Security guards. That's good. All right. Your safety is our responsibility. Um, arm security guard services. I really want it short to the point. Beautiful. That's perfect. Nope. X out of that. X out of that. Keep that open. X out of that. X out of that. X out of that. There we go, over here. Boop. Okay. Okay. Same for mobile patrol services. So now, beautiful. Copy. No. Um, same thing, different. Rewrite that. Oh, I like that. Okay, there we go. That one's better. I didn't like the first one. Click on that, and boom. Firewatch. Okay. Okay. Right. Give me 50 words about your safety is our responsibility. Spelt it wrong. Boom. Boom. All right. Your safety, our pledge. Love this. Love this. Oh, yes. That's perfect. Back over here. Go back over here. Go like that. Go like that. Boom. We're going to go licensed and insured, fully bonded, background checks, drug testing, random drug screens. Okay. Beautiful. Our partners guard, no. Our partners oh shit, I don't know what to write. Okay, let's see. All right, guys, I'm gonna let everybody, I'm gonna end the stream now. I mean, this website is still gonna be in the works. We are gonna continue working on this, and we'll come back next. We'll be back on Friday. We may stream something during the week, and we'll see you again next week. Thank you for coming by. Have a great week. Signing out, as always. See you next time.